welcome back. It's Mr. Pickles. Sorry for not posting kind of recently, but today I'm going to be unboxing the woolly alpaca family. So let's get started. This is the boxing and the back. It's just the new boxing because it's a fairly new family. Okay. Yep. Okay. So, I'm going to get the figures out now. Oh, she's got a little stain from where the thing was. That's annoying. Why do they have to be so hard? Come on, little baby alpaca, come on. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, come on, kid. Yay. And the daddy. Come on, please don't have marks on your arms. Yes, only the mom has marks. Okay. Here's the woolly alpaca family. And I have a little booklet. It says Gabriel's favorite hat. And I'm going to see what their names are. So Andre is the dad, Ariana is the mum, I can't say that name. Fiorella, I think, is the sister, and Gabrielle is the brother. I'm probably going to change those names because I can't even say half of them. And here is the booklet. It's not the newest booklet, but it's pretty cool. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.